Hi, happy morning everybody. In last video, we discussed about the changes in budget line. And in this class, we are going to discuss about one more very important topic, namely the indifference curve analysis. The indifference curve analysis, also popularly known as ordinal utility analysis. It was popularized by one of the most the great neoclassical economists, namely Professor J.R. Hicks. Professor J.R. Hicks. He was published numerous works on economics, particularly on the theory of consumer behavior, whatever it may be. The topic, indifference curve analysis, which will ask for both 5 and 6 marks. Let's be discuss in detail about indifference curve analysis as follows. First of all, we want to know the meaning of indifference curve. What do you mean by indifference curve? Indifference curve is a locus of point of combinations of two goods which give same level of the satisfaction. Once again, the indifference curve is the locus of point of the combinations of two goods which gives same level of the satisfaction where the consumer is indifferent, among the combinations, Let's we know the meaning with a simple table or the schedule. Here, example, illustration, imagination. Combinations means a set of two goods, banana and mango. Finally, the units of utility obtained by the consumption of banana and mango. Combination A, consumer getting 10 bananas, 0 mangoes, utility is 10. In second set or combination B, consumer having 9 bananas, 1 mango, again utility is same 10. In third combination, the consumer having 8 bananas, 2 mangoes, again the utility is the same. That means the combinations of two goods which give same level of the satisfaction. The consumer is indifferent. Among the combinations to obtain the same level of satisfaction. It is the clear meaning of indifference curve analysis. And now we are going to discuss very important the part of indifference curve analysis, namely indifference map. Point this topic and let's we discuss in detail. What do you mean by indifference map? Indifference map is a collection of group of the indifference curves. Means more than two indifference curves are located or situated in a one graph is called as indifference map. You can also define it family of indifference curve. Family means more than two members. So it is called family of indifference curve. I wrote clearly. A combination of indifference curve are called as indifference curve map. IC map. Indifference curve map. It is a family of indifference curves. All the points on and, all the points on an indifference curve represent bundles or combinations which are considered indifferent, as I shown in the table. Indifferent, by the consumer. All the points on an indifference curve represent combinations which are considered indifferent by the consumer. And here the monotonicity. What do you mean by monotonicity? Monotonicity means, or monotonicity is said the preferences selection or select by the consumer where he obtain more level of the satisfaction. As a consumer, we always prefer the goods which give more satisfaction, within our budget or within our income. So the monotonicity of preferences imply that between the two indifference curve. Two indifference curves are there means which curve give more satisfaction, that is a preference of a consumer. Which give less satisfaction, that will not preferred by the consumer. So monotonicity of preferences imply that between the two indifference curves, the bundles on, the combinations on the one which lies above are preferred to the bundles on which lies below. Let's we understand this statement with a diagram. OY axis mangoes are measured, OX axis bananas are measured. There are three important indifference curves are there: IC1, IC2, IC3. Indifference curve 1, indifference curve 2, indifference curve 3. Which means, yes, the indifference curve 1 also have a combination of mango and banana. Similarly, IC2 also have a combinations of mango and banana. The IC3 also have a same combinations of mangoes and bananas. Here, the IC1 give less satisfaction than the IC2. IC2 give less satisfaction than the IC3. So, if there are only two indifference curves, IC1 and IC2 means the consumer preference is IC2 because IC2 give more satisfaction than IC1. In other hand, there are only IC2 and IC3 means yes, the consumer prefer IC3 than the IC2 because IC3 give more satisfaction than the IC2. So here clearly explained, monotonicity of preferences imply that between and two indifference curves, suppose IC1 and IC2, the bundles on the one which lies above means IC2 lies above are preferred by the consumer to the bundles on which lies the below, means the consumer prefer the curve which lies above than the below. Suppose IC2 and IC3 means the consumer prefer IC3 than the IC2 because IC3 lies above the IC2 because it gives more satisfaction than the IC2. It's what we call the meaning of indifference curve with a simple example and meaning of indifference map along with a diagrammatical explanation. And one more point you want to keep in mind, monotonic preferences. Monotonic preference means, clearly you point out this point, clearly you observe this point, monotonic preference. Monotonic preference means a rational consumer, RATIONAL, a rational consumer always prefer the goods which give same level of satisfaction or more level of the satisfaction. A rational consumer always purchase the goods and services which gives more level of the satisfaction is called a monotonic preference. Monotonic preference. Remaining information we will discuss in next class. Still, thank you.